Hello and welcome everyone. I am Thamizharasu, your business coach. Today we will be diving deep into the world of material management, exploring its importance, strategies, challenges, and future trends. Let's get started.
1. Understanding the basics of material management, an introductory guide. Material management involves the planning, purchasing, handling, storing, and controlling of materials required in the production process. It's a balancing act between maintaining optimum levels of inventory while ensuring smooth operations. 2. The importance of material management in supply chain optimization. Effective material management is essential for a smooth and efficient supply chain. It ensures that materials are available when needed, reduces costs, minimizes waste, and enhances customer satisfaction. 3. Innovative strategies for effective material management in manufacturing. There are several strategies that can make material management more effective. Just-in-time delivery, real-time inventory tracking, supplier management, and demand forecasting are all strategies that can significantly enhance the efficiency of material management. 4. Material management, role and impact on operational efficiency. Material management has a direct impact on operational efficiency. By ensuring that materials are available when needed, it prevents production delays and improves customer satisfaction. At the same time, efficient material management can also significantly reduce costs. 5. Overcoming common challenges in material management. Managing materials isn't without its challenges. These can range from forecasting demand accurately, managing supplier relationships, maintaining optimal inventory levels, and adopting new technologies. But with the right strategies and tools, these challenges can be overcome. 6. Role of technology in modern material management, automation and AI. Technology plays a critical role in modern material management. Automation and AI can help streamline operations, reduce errors, enhance accuracy, and make the overall material management process more efficient. 7. How sustainable material management contributes to environmental stewardship. Sustainable material management focuses on using and reusing materials in the most productive and sustainable way. This not only conserves resources and reduces waste but also contributes to environmental stewardship. 8. Material management in construction, essential practices for success. In the construction industry, effective material management is key to successful project delivery. It involves accurate estimation, material scheduling, inventory control, just-in-time delivery, and effective waste management. 9. The future of material management, emerging trends and predictions. Like all aspects of business, material management is also evolving. The future will see an increased focus on sustainability, automation, AI, and other technological advancements. Staying abreast of these trends will be crucial for success. 10. Case study: how effective material management can transform your business. Now, let's look at a case study of Alpha Manufacturing. They faced challenges with high inventory costs and frequent stockouts. But by implementing a comprehensive material management system, leveraging AI for demand forecasting, adopting just-in-time delivery, focusing on supplier relationships, and promoting sustainable practices, they were able to transform their business, reducing costs and enhancing operational efficiency. In conclusion, material management is an integral part of any business. It affects operational efficiency, customer satisfaction, and the bottom line. By understanding its importance, implementing effective strategies, leveraging technology, and staying abreast of future trends, you can make material management a key driver of success for your business. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to click like, subscribe and share for more.